Hello there, Cesar Barbosa with Verdant Energy Electric, and today I'm with my partner and good friend Drew Felker from True Tech Energy, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Title 24 lighting. This is a medical center that we just wired up, and Drew is here programming, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what it is he does and how this works.
So with Title 24, you basically have to have auto shut off and dimming for most tenant improvement projects, which seems difficult to old school people, but for new school people like you, it's pretty easy to comply with. You just add 0 to 10 volt dimming switches, 0 to 10 volt dimming fixtures, and a couple controls, and you're good to go. For example, in this hallway, we have occupancy sensors and dimming switches. The nice thing about the watt stopper switches is that you can control any light from any switch as long as it's on the network. So what I did earlier is I programmed this switch to this hallway, which gives us the ability to dim down and the ability to turn off. Okay. So that's pretty easy. And then for something like this small room, we have an integrated switch, so you can see here, where one of the switches turns off the lights and the other one turns it on. And then you can also dim it down. Dim down a second.
And while we work on that, Drew, can you tell us a little bit about this watt stopper cable? Because I think it's kind of interesting. Maybe we can get a close-up shot of this category cable hooks up to, basically, what do you call this up here? The programmable?
So this is a room controller. So the room controller connects, you can see the different watt stopper cables going in, can connect to any of the different light switches independently and any of the occupancy sensors. So with a little remote control, you can basically program an infinite number of variables, which is really nice because let's say that someone moves some walls later on, or someone decides that they want to add a couple different types of fixtures. It's really easy to just put in another room controller right next to it, integrate it, and then everything works together seamlessly.
Awesome. That's a little bit about Title 24. It can get a little complicated, but if you talk to the right people like Drew, the work becomes seamless. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next job.